When the check engine light came on, I started diagnosing the issue. After connecting a scan tool, I retrieved the code P1604, Startability Malfunction. This code often points to problems that affect the engine's ability to start or run smoothly, so I focused on areas that might restrict airflow or disrupt proper combustion. My first step was to inspect the air intake system. I carefully checked for any obvious issues, such as disconnected hoses, cracks, or blockages that could limit airflow. Everything appeared normal. To confirm there were no hidden leaks, I used a smoke machine to introduce smoke into the intake system. If there were a leak, the smoke would have escaped from the faulty area. However, I found no signs of leakage, which indicated that the intake system itself was intact. Next, I turned my attention to the throttle body, as it's a key component that regulates airflow into the engine. Upon visual inspection, I found that the throttle body was heavily coated with carbon deposits. These deposits can disrupt the smooth operation of the throttle, restricting airflow and causing symptoms like rough idling, hesitation, and difficulty starting the engine. This build-up is common over time, especially in vehicles with higher mileage or those that idle frequently. I determined that the clogged throttle body was the root cause of the problem and needed cleaning. Using the proper tools and cleaners, I carefully removed the carbon build-up, restoring the throttle body to its original condition. After cleaning, I cleared the fault codes from the system and took the vehicle for a road test. The car ran smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes reappeared. This repair emphasizes the importance of maintaining a clean throttle body. Over time, carbon buildup is inevitable and can lead to reduced engine efficiency, increased emissions, and starting problems. Regular inspections and cleaning of the throttle body as part of routine maintenance can prevent these issues and keep the engine running reliably. By systematically diagnosing the problem and addressing the underlying cause, I ensured the vehicle returned to optimal performance.